Hello, hello everyone. Today I am going to do some repair in my bike. There's a noise coming from the handle. Uh, Rather than going to garage, I'm going to make it at home. I will show you how to make it. In this area, the noise comes. Uh, Sometimes maybe the thread, this bolt having some loose connection. Uh, to fix this, I had to remove this handle, these four bolts, and after that I have to fix here. I will show you how to make it. So I put some spanner like this here. I have to lose these four nails. So guys, I already removed the handle, you can see here. Now I need to tighten up this big bolt. I think I have to remove this what do you call, some this kind of part, otherwise I cannot put this spanner here. So I will show you how I am doing that. So I'm removing this bolt like this way. It's very hard. Alright, now I already removed it. Okay, now there's another thing I have to tighten up here. I will show you that. So guys, can you see this thread? Now I have to tight this thread. Because of this thread loose, that noise comes. I will show you like this way. Now you can see it is turning. You should not tight this too much. So now we have to check whether this handle can turn or not. Oops, it's so it is looks okay. I will type a little bit more. So guys, now I already tightened up the below thread. I already showed you. Now the last part is I have to tight this big bolt, then it won't get loose again. Like this way I have to tight this. So after tightening up that big ball, the final thing is I have to fix the handle again. Like this way I am fixing the handle. So guys, this is the final checkup. The handle should move very smoothly like this way. So guys, hope you enjoy this video. Rather than going to garage, I already repaired my bike. It's a small thing. We have to learn these kind of things, and without wasting money and time in the garage, we can do our own repairing. So I will bring more videos about my lifestyle like this. So always be touching my channel, subscribe me, and like my videos and put some comment. So see you next time. Bye bye.